Meaning of gold dust.
Gold dust.
Gold dust.
Gold dust.
Gold dust. Gold dust is a figurative expression that refers to something rare and valuable. It can describe a precious substance, such as actual gold particles, or the scarcity and uniqueness of something else. The term can also be used to describe something that is highly coveted or in high demand, but difficult to obtain, like a rare talent or skill. Overall, gold dust is a way of describing something of great worth and rarity, either in terms of tangible commodities or intangible qualities that are highly prized.